The woods are alive. They breathe, they whisper, and they stand tall like ancient sentinels guarding secrets of the past. Each tree, a giant in its own right, has witnessed the passage of time, the changing of seasons, and the dance of life and death. The forest is a living, breathing entity, a world unto itself, not with fairies and gnomes, as the old tales might have you believe, but with the raw, untamed power of nature. The forest is a place of serenity and chaos, where the delicate balance of life is maintained through a constant struggle for survival. It's a world where every leaf, every branch, and every creature plays a role in the grand tapestry of existence. But in the midst of this natural wonder, there's another force at play, a force driven by human ambition and necessity. The forest is alive with the roaring engines and the smell of sawdust, as man and machine converge to harvest its bounty. This is the world of logging, where the ancient giants of the forest are brought down to serve the needs of humanity. This is the world of logging, where man and machine meet to bring down giants. It's a world where the strength of human will is matched against the might of nature. The loggers, with their chainsaws and heavy machinery, are modern-day warriors, battling the forest giants in a dance of power and precision. Each tree felled is a testament to their skill and determination. It's a world of sweat, grit, and danger, but also one of immense satisfaction. The loggers work tirelessly, their bodies pushed to the limit, their minds focused on the task at hand. The forest is an unforgiving workplace where a single mistake can have dire consequences. Yet, despite the hardships, there's a sense of pride and accomplishment that comes with every tree brought down, every log processed. There's a primal thrill in felling a tree, a sense of accomplishment that echoes through the ages. It's a feeling that connects the loggers to their ancestors, to the men who first ventured into the forests with nothing but axes and saws. The sight of a tree falling, the sound of its mighty crash, is a reminder of the power and beauty of nature, and the role that humans play in shaping it. And with the advent of modern logging machines, this thrill has only intensified. Today's loggers have at their disposal an array of advanced tools and equipment designed to make the process more efficient and less labor-intensive. These machines are marvels of engineering, capable of performing tasks that would have been unimaginable just a few decades ago. These aren't your grandpa's axes and saws. The tools of the trade have evolved, just as the industry itself has evolved. From the simple hand tools of the past to the sophisticated machinery of today, logging has come a long way. The old ways are not forgotten, but they have been supplemented and enhanced by modern technology. We're talking massive machines, diesel-powered beasts with more horsepower than a herd of Clydesdales. These machines are the workhorses of the logging industry, capable of felling trees with incredible speed and precision. They are designed to handle the toughest conditions, to operate in the most challenging environments, and to get the job done, no matter what. They're precise instruments, capable of felling a tree with surgical accuracy. The operators of these machines are highly skilled, trained to handle the equipment with the utmost care and precision. Every cut, every movement is calculated, ensuring that the tree falls exactly where it is supposed to, minimizing damage to the surrounding environment. But more than that, they're a testament to human ingenuity. The development of these machines represents the culmination of years of research, innovation, and hard work. They are a symbol of our ability to harness the power of nature, to bend it to our will, and to use it to build a better future. We've taken the raw power of nature and harnessed it, turning it into tools that help us build our world. The trees that are felled in the forest are transformed into lumber, which is then used to construct homes, buildings, and infrastructure. The logging industry plays a crucial role in our economy, providing the materials that are essential for our way of life. It's a testament to the enduring relationship between man and nature, a relationship that is built on respect, understanding, and a shared sense of purpose. Take the Easton-made 60C for example. This Firewood processor is a beast, sporting a 115 horsepower diesel engine that roars like a caged lion. It can chew through logs like a beaver on a bender, turning them into firewood faster than you can say winter is coming. But it's not just about raw power. The 60C boasts a luxurious operator's cab, complete with climate control and ergonomic seating. It's like operating a bulldozer from the comfort of your living room. This machine is all about getting the job done right without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Then there's the HR46 harvester, a machine that represents a technological leap forward in the logging industry. This isn't just a machine, it's a marvel of engineering. With its 135 cubic centimeter pump, it delivers hydraulic power that would make a fire hose blush. It can fell, delimb, and buck a tree in minutes, all while the operator sits in a climate-controlled cab, manipulating joysticks with the precision of a surgeon. It's a far cry from the days of crosscut saws and backbreaking labor. Woodpecker RP300, safety first, splitting second. In the world of logging, where precision and power are key, safety must always come first. The Woodpecker RP300 is a testament to this principle. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Logging is a demanding job that requires not only strength but also a keen awareness of safety protocols. The operators of these powerful machines are trained to handle them with the utmost care, ensuring that every log is processed without incident. That's where machines like the Woodpecker RP300 Log Splitter come in. This machine is not just about brute force, it's about intelligent design that prioritizes the well-being of its operator. The RP300 is engineered to provide maximum efficiency while minimizing the risk of injury. Safety is paramount in the logging industry, and the RP300 is designed with that in mind. From its robust construction to its advanced safety features, every aspect of this machine is crafted to protect the user. The logging industry has seen many advancements over the years, but the focus on safety has never wavered. It's got all the bells and whistles, two-hand operation, safety bars, and a log lifting system that would make a chiropractor weep with joy. The two-hand operation ensures that both hands are occupied, reducing the risk of accidental activation. Safety bars provide an additional layer of protection, preventing any unintended contact with the moving parts. And the log lifting system? It's a game changer, reducing the physical strain on the operator and making the entire process smoother and safer. This machine can handle logs up to 26 inches in diameter, splitting them with ease. Whether you're dealing with hardwood or softwood, the RP300's powerful engine and sharp blades make quick work of even the toughest logs. It's a machine built for performance but never at the expense of safety. It's proof that you don't have to sacrifice safety for performance. The Woodpecker RP300 stands as a shining example of what modern engineering can achieve. It combines cutting-edge technology with a deep understanding of the needs of its users, delivering a machine that is both powerful and safe. In the logging industry, where every day presents new challenges, having a reliable and safe machine like the RP300 can make all the difference. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right and getting it done safely. Dancing on the edge. Logging on steep slopes. Logging on steep slopes is a unique and challenging aspect of forestry that requires a combination of advanced technology, skilled operators, and a deep understanding of the terrain. The process is not just about cutting down trees, it's about navigating the complexities of the landscape while ensuring safety and efficiency. But not all logging takes place on flat, even ground. In fact, some of the most valuable timber is found in areas where the terrain is anything but flat. These areas often present a myriad of challenges that loggers must overcome. The uneven ground, loose soil, and unpredictable weather conditions can make logging on steep slopes a daunting task. Some of the most challenging work happens on steep slopes, where the terrain itself is as much of an obstacle as the trees. The steep inclines and rugged landscape require loggers to be constantly vigilant and adaptable. Every step must be carefully planned and executed to avoid accidents and ensure the safety of the crew. This is where specialized equipment and nerves of steel are essential. The machinery used in these operations is designed to handle the extreme conditions found on steep slopes. From powerful bulldozers to agile excavators, each piece of equipment plays a crucial role in the logging process. These machines are equipped with advanced features that allow them to operate efficiently on uneven terrain. Cable logging systems, using powerful winches and elaborate pulley systems, are often employed. These systems are specifically designed to transport logs from the steep slopes to more accessible areas. The winches and pulleys work together to lift and move the heavy logs, reducing the risk of damage to the surrounding environment. Logs are suspended in the air, transported down the mountain with a symphony of clanging metal and groaning cables. This method not only ensures the safe transport of logs, but also minimizes the impact on the forest floor. The sight of logs being carefully maneuvered through the air is a testament to the precision and skill required in this line of work. It's a dangerous dance, requiring skill and precision from both man and machine. The operators must have a keen understanding of the equipment and the terrain to execute their tasks safely. Each movement is calculated and every decision is made with the utmost care. The collaboration between man and machine is a delicate balance that ensures the success of the operation. Before any logging operation begins, extensive planning and strategizing are essential. Loggers must map out the terrain, identify potential hazards, and develop a comprehensive plan to tackle the challenges ahead. This planning phase is crucial to ensure that the operation runs smoothly and safely. Safety is paramount in logging on steep slopes. Loggers are equipped with protective gear, including helmets, gloves, and harnesses, to safeguard against potential accidents. Regular safety drills and training sessions are conducted to keep the crew prepared for any eventuality. The environmental impact of logging on steep slopes is also a significant consideration. Sustainable logging practices are implemented to minimize damage to the ecosystem. Reforestation efforts are undertaken to ensure that the forest can regenerate and continue to thrive for future generations. Teamwork is at the heart of successful logging operations on steep slopes. Each member of the crew plays a vital role, and their combined efforts ensure the smooth execution of the task. The camaraderie and trust among the loggers are evident as they work together to overcome the challenges posed by the rugged terrain. As technology continues to advance, the future of logging on steep slopes looks promising. Innovations in logging equipment and techniques are making the process safer and more efficient. These advancements are paving the way for a new era in forestry, where the challenges of steep slopes can be met with confidence and expertise. Despite the challenges, logging on steep slopes offers breathtaking views and a unique connection to nature. The scenic landscapes and natural beauty of these areas serve as a reminder of the importance of preserving our forests. The loggers who work in these environments develop a deep appreciation for the land and the resources it provides. The dedication and pride that loggers take in their work are evident in every aspect of the operation. Their commitment to sustainable practices and their respect for the environment are what drive them to excel in this demanding field. Logging on steep slopes is not just a job, it's a way of life that requires passion, skill, and a deep connection to the land.